whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. whatever, or this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's baby, it's whatever, or this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it, I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. You need an old man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Don't need an old man. Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it, I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. An old man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Baby, it's whatever, or this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it, I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. You need an old man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Don't need an old man. Back and I'm better. You had to go back.
Hello.
Don't need an old man. Back and I'm better. You baby, it's whatever, or this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter.
Okay, my
Baby,
life.
it's whatever, or this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter.
guys. Alright. Hi, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's Monday of 11. Okay, semua sihat Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum. Most of the time people start with Assalamualaikum, but aku macam okay lah, tak apalah. Sorry guys, lame. Alright, today we are going to study a bit of liquidity as promised. Okay, by the way, aku nak tukar aku punya, I want to change my timing lah. Cannot lah 6 to 7 because 6 to 7 tu before my praying time, so a lot of things I need to do within that hours. But now aku rasa aku nak buat stream ni pagi lah, pukul 9. So instead of 6 to 7 we change it to 9 to 10. Boleh tak? Okay, so today we are going to touch a little bit of liquidity, and just want to share with you guys about a trade I took last week lah. I saw this last week actually, but just want to break it down lah. Okay, this one was Australian USD AUD against US dollar. So if you can see from here, what happened, we had a stop hunt above this low. Okay, stop hunt. After a stop hunt, there's a massive aggressive rally and break the structure. So this is what we want to see in our trading. And after a stop hunt, we break a structure. Remember what we spoke last week. After a move like this, okay, normally we will take our fips from here to here. Okay, once you have your fib, remember whatever is above 50, I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not. Can you guys see this? Wait, there's too many things. Hang on. Okay, so whatever is above 50% is premium, so whatever is under 50% is discount. Okay, should I do this all over again? Should I not? Can I? Oh, tak nak sekejap. One moment. So whatever is above is 50%, and whatever is above is premium. Sorry guys, whatever is under is discount. Okay, so we always want to buy at discounted area. Alright, okay, so remember that. And once we have this, we can remove this. So I already put here as premium, and I already put here as discount. So I was aiming to buy at here. Okay, why do I want to buy here guys? Okay, see, you can see this. Okay, we make it 900. Okay, 900. Okay, I already put here a buy limit order 07 to 900, which is at this price. If you can see, right guys? Okay, we got it here. I put a buy limit when this thing is here. I put a buy limit here at 07 to 900. Okay, the reason why is because of this order block. Okay, order block ni nanti in the future we'll make a class on this. Okay, but you guys, basically you guys know the idea. Every time we have a move up and it's aggressive and it's breaking the structure, macam ni, it breaks the structure, right? You guys have to take your Fibonacci from here to here. Whatever is under this you count as discount. Whatever is above 50 is premium. Tahu tu je, just know that. Because last time, right, I used to have this problem. How do I know if the market is uptrend or downtrend? It is so confusing guys, because sometimes the market can do like break this, break that, and then suddenly it goes sideways. So it doesn't, like, one thing that solved my uptrend and downtrend problem is to categorize where the market is right now. So if I have this leg to here, okay, this move up, I put a Fibonacci, I divide the area into two. So now I have premium area and discount area. So just know whatever it is in market, the only thing that matters is the price. So if the price is premium, you want to be selling. If the price is at discount, you want to be buying. Okay, so now I put a buy limit at 0.72900. The price touches my order. Okay, I was not in about 0.2 0.1% drawdown, and after that it shoot up. It shoot up to my take profit. So here I make a note, we are risking 14 pips to make 34 pips. Okay, kat sini you can see I was risking 14 pips to make 34 pips. So this one I calculated the other day. Actually I calculated lah. So if let's say 14 pips kan, so you're doing AUDUSD, so 14 pips you buat lah, 14 pips. So you calculate. So if you put one standard lot, you get 140. So I mean minus 140 lah. If let's say this trade goes against my way and hits my stop loss, I will be risking $140. So I will lose 140. But if let's say the trade goes as what I planned, okay, like this, I have gained $340. Yeah lah. So I don't know whether you guys can see or not lah, but it's there. So I caught it in my MT4, and today all hit take profit. Semua langgar take profit, because just now we had a very good massive move up. You see this move, this candle? Okay, this candle is not retail, this is institution candle, meaning the banks are already put their position here at 0.72900. How do I know they put at 0.72900? Because last week I mentioned about, sorry guys, did I mention about these numbers, the institution, how do you spell institutional level? Okay. So institution level basically is 0, 0, you have your 20, you have your 50, you have your 80. So remember this guys. So institution level 0, 0, 20, 50 and 80. So whenever you spot an area that you want to buy, for example in this move up, I already identify that this zone is my discounted area. So whenever price is in my zone, I want to be buying. But I cannot be simply buying anywhere, like just, like last time when I first started trading, I just randomly buy. I just paku lah, in Malay they call it paku. Paku, just layer, you press the buy button until your meta trader cannot buy anymore. Like there's a sound where the something like margin, exit margin or something, so you cannot buy. So that's how I used to do. But now when I know when the banks are going to get in, so I just place my order and that's it. So today that day, okay, I realized that it was at this area. Okay, so what I did was to go here and just simply do like that. So I got this 0.7 to 900. So the market really touched that area. Okay, touches 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and it shoot up. Okay, shoot up and hit my take profit, which is here. I was targeting this area, this last high. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. And the institutional level, but inshallah in the future I will explain it a little bit in depth. Why does this number so important? Why are the numbers so important in trading forex? Because the algorithm, there's algorithm in forex guys, believe it or not. The banks, they don't use human to trade, they use robots and algorithm. So their numbers and ordering are all in 0, 0, 20, 50 and 80. So that's it lah. Okay, now we're going to talk about liquidity. As last week I explained to you guys about the market structure kan. Okay, now kita move on to liquidity. So what is liquidity? The forex market is a zero-sum game, which means that for a trader or institution to buy or sell one currency pair, it's necessary that there is another trader or institution with an opposite position. You get what I mean? Whenever there's a buyer, there's a seller. Okay, if smart money banks want to buy a currency pair, they will need sellers in the market. The existing facility to place these positions in the market is called liquidity. So in Malay, in the what do you call it? If you want me to explain it the simplest way, okay, in Malay, if I may, kalau korang nak pergi pasar, or for example, you guys want to buy a packet of Milo, uh, dekat Speedmart lah for example, tapi Speedmart tak jual tau, okay, Speedmart tiba-tiba Speedmart habis Milo, then you guys go to another kedai, tapi you guys realise that the next kedai tu, dia tahu yang Speedmart dah habis Milo. So kedai runcit ni dia bijak, dia jual lagi mahal daripada harga pasaran. Okay, so that is how we should understand. Itu yang kita kena faham about supply and demand. Okay, and supply and demand, you have to understand apa yang menggerakkan supply and demand. Because I last time when I first started trading, they always talk about what moves the market is supply and demand. Yes, betul. Tapi they forget to mention that actually it's not supply and demand. Supply and demand is basically the way, I mean the look at the car that move. But every car need oil, need petrol. So the petrol is actually liquidity. So liquidity is the thing that move the market. So in order for someone to buy, there's always a seller. If there's no seller there, they will find another place to buy. You get what I mean? So for example, korang pernah tak trade supply and demand, and your supply kena tembus. Supply korang tembus. Bila supply tembus, you are left wondering, kenapa aku punya zone supply kena tembus? Okay, so basically, right guys, the banks or the market itself, when there's no buyers in that area, okay, tak cukup buyers untuk dia turun, okay, they want to sell, right, but they want to sell to the place that has most liquidity. Liquidity ni means ada orang nak belilah. So when ada orang nak jual, for example, okay, if let's say the market tak ada tempat, kurang seller kat tempat tu, dia akan cari tempat yang lebih ramai seller. It will go to a place where there's a high number of seller. So that's why sometimes your zone kena tembus. Your zone, what do you call it, doesn't hold. So you need to understand the liquidity punya concept. Okay, the liquidity is defined by stop losses. Okay, where the stop losses exist is where the liquidity also exists. Smart money need to activate the stop losses of existing orders in the market so that they can place their position in the market. So basically, our retail stop loss is the bank's entry. Do you get what I mean? Warren Buffett used to say this, I always enter when someone is closing their position. Always be greedy when someone is in fear. So that's how they do this, guys. Okay, the banks manipulate the price because of liquidity. But why? Banks negotiate large trading volumes and sometimes find it difficult to find the other side of the trades. So they manipulate the price so that they can have their position in the market. Do you get what I mean or not? Like what I explained now about the Milo packet. If you cannot find Milo packet there, and then you go to another place, the place is selling it at higher prices. Higher prices in Forex means what? It goes up, right? Okay, if you guys can notice in your chart here, okay, you notice this area, okay, here is cheap. That is why I like to use discount and premium, because here, this is what matters. I can just close all my I don't have to trade using candlestick. I can just go by these numbers and think that, okay, this is a very expensive price. This, on the other hand, is cheap. So whenever price goes here, okay, and I think it's a cheap price, then I just buy. Correct or not? Right, but we have our technical analysis, which is the candlestick, to be more precise and to minimize our risk. Okay, you get what I mean? So what matters in trading is just the numbers here. You just focus your eyes on these numbers, this price. expensive, cheap, expensive, cheap. So when you want to sell here, you ask yourself, is it expensive here or is more expensive here? Get it? So that's how you understand liquidity. Okay, where were we? Okay. Alright, so in Forex market, there are two types of liquidity, which are 1. Buy stops liquidity, 2. Sell stops liquidity. So remember what I said about Forex market has only two directions. It can go up and it can go down. Okay, it goes up when the price is expensive. It goes down when the price is cheap. Dia pergi atas bila harga dah mahal, harga naik. Dia pergi bawah because harga dah murah. Simple je. Ini je yang penting, guys. So bila dalam kepala otak korang, bila korang nak jual, you guys have to sell at a higher price. If you guys want to buy, you guys buy at a lower price. Simple as that. So buy stop liquidity is originated by stop losses of sell orders after the BSL is taken. The market reverses to the downside because banks use the BSL to place sell orders in the market. Okay, basically whenever you guys have buy stop above, okay, whatever that you, for example, if you're selling at a, okay lah, I show it on the chart lah. Okay, for example, okay, where can I do this? Okay, here for example, I bet someone is selling here. Okay, when the market is here, right? Okay, this is a supply zone. Okay, correct, supply zone. Whenever someone is selling here, remember there's always stop losses right above here. Okay, bank always push to your stop loss. Okay, they push to your stop loss, get all your stop loss, and when they want to sell, right guys, they always sell at a much higher price than what you sell. So if you see this as a supply area, you sell here because whenever the price comes back to a supply area, you sell, right? So banks can also see this. So when they see you're selling here, they know that your stop losses are here. So they go and rate your stop losses, which is your liquidity, to the upside. When you sell, your trade kena stop loss, you're basically buying the market. Do you get it? Your stop loss is buy the market because you're selling. If they close your position because it hits stop losses, meaning on the other hand, you are buying the market. You are buying it and the banks sell all your position. When they get better price here, okay, you notice or not? Suddenly, okay, wah, sial lah, this market, they like to play here because they want you to think that, okay, the market is going up, whenever they okay, whoever is selling here, they kena tipu here, kena here, then they say, okay, now I want to buy the market. You see or not what they're doing? So you also place buy here, you place buy here, then you wanted to buy here again, buy, and then what did they do? Do you notice this marubuzu? Do you see this candle? This whole body no wick candle. Okay, this is the banks. The banks close all your buy, take all your stop loss here. Okay, they close all your position, those buy. So you are getting raped by the market twice. You see, here you sell, they take your stop loss. Then you think that the market is going up, then you buy here. Okay, then here the market screw you again. You take all your stop losses. Okay, remember, stop losses is their what do you call it? The stop losses is their entry and also their target. They will always go for your stop losses. They go for your stop losses again. Okay, when you see this candle, going down, you place your sell limit here, right? Because it's a supply area, it has to go down. So guess what? When they drop, okay, they allow you to drop for a while. Okay, but I already see this whole schematic earlier. Before it happened, I already know that, okay, the banks are in because they do a stop hunt, they break the structure. This is what they are doing. This is the only thing that I look for. Okay, once I see this, I know the banks are in. This is what they are trying to screw. So I never get what do you call it? In Malay they call it aku tak ambil pot lah. Okay, I'm not bothered by all this. I just wait for the price to go into my zone, which is 0.7 to 900, and see what the banks are doing. they take their order, which is what they are doing now. They also place at 0.072900, and it flew. It flew. Those who are selling here, bye bye. Those who sell here, bye bye earlier. Then they buy here, put stop loss here, bye bye again. Then guess what? They sell here because they see this huge move down. Then bye bye again. 3 times you are getting screwed over. So welcome to Forex, guys. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, what to focus on for buy side liquidity. So whenever you go for buy side liquidity, is always remember you're selling, then your stop losses are always at the high. So previous month high, previous week high, everything is high, equal highs, all highs. Okay, remember earlier we had those who are selling here, they think that the market is going down, then the bank did what? They do this. They put the FU candle, fuck you. Okay, they go this, they screw you one time, and they go down. Okay, and sometimes they can do this. They have 2 places. So retail sees this as what? Double top, right? So double top is a reversal signal. No, bank said double top is my entry. So your stop losses here, okay, double top, right? So the next time market goes here is your resistance. So you think that it will go down, you will double down on your trades. You put another position, then the bank take all your stop losses. Once they clear all your stop losses, then they go down. Okay, you can see here. Okay, normal, this is your stop hunt. Stop hunt, take all your stop losses, then they go down. When they go down, they close below the candle. There's no way that you can, what do you call it, get into the position. They will never let you do that. But always remember, if you see this thing happen, okay, this is our entry, guys. This is our trade. Always do this. They will always do this. You see, up, take the liquidity, go down. See, up, take the liquidity, go down. Same thing, up, go down. Okay, up, take this liquidity, then go down. Take this liquidity, then go down. Okay, you guys see this? Alright, this is this is one of my favorite setup. Like if I see this on the high of the day, guys, this is like literally you hit jackpot, because once this happen right here, you go to your smaller time frame. This is 15 minutes. If I see 15 minutes, I'll go down to maybe 5 or 1 minute, and I see my setup lah, the stop hunt, break market structure, and return. That is my bread and butter. Okay, this is the 5 minutes I told you. So it's 15 minutes is like this, and on the 5 you have something like this. See, equal highs, double top, right? So you put your position here, sell. The market says no thanks, I'll take your stop loss, then I go down. It's always like this, and this is our setup, guys. Okay, you see, stop hunt, and this is our structure, break market structure, and then you put on your return. From here to here, you draw your Fibonacci. Above is premium, below is discount. Simple. Okay, the SSL is originated by stop losses. Okay, I don't want to repeat this because it's the same as the buy side liquidity, only vice versa. Okay, see, equal low, double bottom. Double bottom is your support. Support means what? You buy, right? No, the bank said no, I'm not going to buy here, I'm going to sell first, then I buy, because they sell to your stop losses. Okay, same thing here, take your stop losses, then go up. Okay, if you have free time, guys, always open your chart and just take a look at all this what do you call it, wicks, your shadows. Shadows mean liquidity lah, basically. So whenever you see a liquidity, always remember there will always be stop losses at under the liquidity or above the shadows. Okay, so always remember your POI, point of interest, is always going to be here. So whenever in the higher time frame, always go what do you call it, monitor your POI. So in the lower time frame, guys, check whether they do that setup that we already learned before lah, the what do you call it, the stop hunt, break market structure. So look for all that that's that, what do you call it, that setup. If it appears, it unfolds in front of you at this area, okay, the setup that I mentioned before, just take the trade. It's a jackpot trade. Okay, same thing here. Okay, low of the day, hit it one time. Here in the lower time frame is your setup. Okay, hit it one time. See that dragonfly. This is for those who read Candlestick Bible that I posted earlier. Maybe I will post it again in the link. I will have it in a PDF form. There's a cheat code for candlestick pattern. So this is one of the reversal pattern. So you have your bearish, you have your doji candle, and this bullish candle will close above the previous bearish candle. So whenever you see this, just take your Fibonacci from here to here. Okay, whenever the price is under 50%, you can take the buy. Okay, get it? Why the price didn't touch this area is because maybe in the future this is a liquidity. Soon it will go down, take this liquidity and fly. You get it? Okay, see? You see what I mean? Equal lows, double bottom, stop hunt, stop these people, fly. Okay, you see, stop hunt, fly. Just take your Fibo from here to here, divide the market into two, identify your premium and your discount zone. So whenever market goes into your discount zone, you buy. So see, when you buy, it goes up. Okay? Alright, basically when the buy side liquidity is taken, the market reverses to the downside. When sell side liquidity is taken, the market reverses to the upside. Okay, stop hunt, manipulation for liquidity. Stop hunt is a movement used to neutralize liquidity. It's a false breakout above below the zone where there is liquidity. The market makers, which is the banks, usually use high impact news to take liquidity. Sometimes people say don't trade news. Have you guys heard about that? Whenever there's news, do not enter the market. Well, if you know what you're doing, you are actually good to go. But to be honest, right, when I first started, actually not first started, until now also, I always what do you call it, easier to say, I always I choose not to trade news, because sometimes news can really screw your account. Let's just say that. Okay, so buy side liquidity. Okay, this is a very good example, guys. Buy side liquidity, you see what the market is doing now. Okay, they touch one time. Okay, they touch one time, thinking that I mean, saying to you guys that okay, now we're gonna sell. Then what they do, they stop hunt. 1, 2, 3, they push one time, two time, three time. There's 3 candle pushing up, followed by a bearish move downwards. Okay, this guys, this is our setup. Okay, this is our setup. This is also our setup. Wait, so many of you get confused. If I see this happening on both sides, which one do I choose? Right, so this thing can be solved in, remember, for you not to be confused in uptrend and downtrend, you guys have to know where this setup is being going on, where this whole schematic is happening. If let's say, guys, in 60 this is time frame 60, 1 hour, it is at your support somewhere in your cheaper zone. I believe in this how do I say this? Sorry guys, my English is not that good because I haven't spoken English for quite some time. Actually, my English is never that good. But again, from here to here, okay, I believe that this is in a discount area in a bigger time frame. Okay, so this is happening in a bigger time frame that is in discounted zone. So if you see this thing happen in a discounted zone from a bigger time frame, you are always look for buying opportunity. But if let's say you want to sell, okay, if you take your fib from here to here, okay, I believe that this is above 50, so this is considered as your premium. If you sell, you can also catch a good, you scalp a few pips here. But if let's say you use this setup, okay, stop hunt, break market structure, price return to your discounted area from here to here, 50% underneath is your discounted area. You buy here, then you see all the what the market does. It will fly. Okay, same thing right here. Buy side liquidity, stop hunt, go down. Sell side liquidity goes down, go up. Do you see what I mean or not? So always wait for all these to be taken out. Okay. Last time, right, I remember trading supply and demand, where this used to be my entry. I will draw a box here from this candlestick. Okay, I just draw like this. Whenever price is in the zone, I sell, and I always kena stop loss. Okay, and after sometimes it becomes very clear that actually your zone doesn't matter, because price will always go for your stop losses. If you have the zone here, guys, where do you normally put your stop losses? Above here. Where do you see the market goes most of the time? To your stop losses, and then they reverse, and then you see in your trade, how come they go my way but actually my trade kena stop loss? You see what I mean? Okay, it's always like that. Take your stop loss, go down. Take your stop loss, go up. Here is more clear. Okay, stop loss. Okay, this is bullish. Then break market structure. You supposed to buy here. Then you buy here. Market goes a little bit up, and then this is a new candle. Screw you one time, then go up. Do you see what I mean? Okay. High impact news events are used to hunt liquidity in the market. Always pay attention to the news calendar to know the pairs that will move. Generally, pairs with many news forecasts high impact. Those pairs are going to move and trending during the day or week. Okay, news pula. Okay, those who had the access to my free trading courses, if you take a look at, I believe, chapter 7 is about news. Okay, so that is very useful. So you take your time to study from the free trading courses that I have provided, so that will help you lah in your trading. Okay, alright, so I want to show you something about Forex Factory. Okay, because some people asking me whether how do I identify which news is important and which news are not important. Okay, so basically, guys, if you go to your Forex Factory calendar, okay, just go here. So for me, I always get rid of this one and this one, and this is, well, not necessary, but I need it lah, because sometimes I want to know whether a market is whether there's a bank holiday or not. So this is a bank holiday, so just apply filter. Okay, so you can see, right, on Tuesday we have nothing. On Monday we have bank holiday, means today and tomorrow basically there will be less aggressive move. But on Wednesday, guys, CPI. So CPI, what is CPI? If you guys got access to my if you guys got access to my channel, okay, I have provided a apa ni? Sekejap. Aku lagi tapi aku dah dapat hidu yang market akan buat macam ni. And it happened. So after kau buat macam apa panggil tu, self reflection, after every trade yang kau lose, buat journal. Guys, bila kau buat journal, kau nampak tau kenapa kau set loss. Linktree, I want to bring you guys to my Linktree profile. Okay, admin, is this the one? Yep, this one. Okay, if you go to my Linktree, there's a free trading course for beginners. Okay, just click this one. Okay, click that one, and then from here you just sign up lah. If you don't sign up also, no problem at all. but it's better to sign up, because once you sign up, you can keep track of your progress. And they will, I think they do also test. You can take a test. So once you clear everything from chapter, where what are we at? Okay, if you clear study 1, study 2 until how many study ni? 10, 11. Okay, if you clear everything until 11, okay, there will be, you take all the tests, then you clear, then I think you get bonus or something for your trading account. I'm not sure lah guys, but you can sign up lah. But it's better to sign up. If you don't sign up also can lah, but it's better to sign up, then you can keep track of your progress. And so next time when you enter, when you want to start again, you don't have to start from the beginning lah. You can just pick up where you left. Okay, so this one, what's the news? How to use fundamental analysis and earn on the news. I think that one, is it that one? Yep, this one. This one. Okay, cool. So this one, right, it's very useful, because from here also I learned how to identify which news that is important. Okay, you can start the lesson. Okay, blah 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 blah, what you will learn. Okay, 4 most important types of news. This is the 4 things that you need to know. Number 1, dude, we just go here lah guys. Okay, why not I just copy this to my chart, can or not? Okay, we just copy that to my chart and just write here. Can I paste it here? Boleh tak? Awesome. So this is the news that is important. Other than this is important lah, but this is the one that moves the market guys. 4 news, type of news that move. Maybe we make another session on news, the market. Okay, next time lah kita buat, we do a session on news. But basically, if you are very interested in learning news, you can just Google these 4 types of news: unemployment, CPI, and GDP, and Fed lah, basically Fed. So you want to know, how this thing impact the forex market, kan? Okay, you see from your forex factory. Okay, CPI. We just take a look at last month lah, last month punya CPI. Okay, ada tak unemployment? Okay, where I want to see last month lah. Ada tak? Okay lah, Fed. Can we do Fed or GDP Canada? Okay, boleh lah. Friday October 1st, boleh. Friday October 1st, 8:30 PM. Okay, you want to see how this affect the currency market? We just take a look at USD Canada. Okay, cool. USD CAD, can we find it from here? Can we search the time frame from here? Can we? Yes, we can. 3rd of October. Let's see, pukul berapa? Tak apalah, kita tengok dulu. Okay, 10. Where is 3rd, man? Give me 3rd of October lah. Okay, it's right there. Okay, 3rd of October. There you go. Okay, you want to see how the forex market is influenced by news? You take a look at this, guys. Okay, I'm sharing something that you need to pay outside. It's for free. Okay, mana aku punya horizontal line? Where's my horizontal line, guys? Alright, never mind, just use this. 3rd of October pukul 8 tadi. Okay, cool, we got it here. 8.9. Okay, this is where the news came out. Okay, it's about Canada. Yep, it's right here. GDP Canada. Okay, just type it as GDP Canada, 8:30 PM. Okay, 3rd October. Okay, alright. Amat besar sangat pula. Okay, jap. Okay, So if you have free time, just do this. Just do this. You remember the four news that is important just now that we mentioned. Okay, kalau tak sempat ni, you can just rewind in the YouTube. You can just rewind back lah, and then just screenshot the one that we wrote just now. Okay. Oh, sorry, can find from here. Okay. GDP rate, inflation rate, unemployment, NFP, FED. Okay, all these four news. You tak percaya you don't believe me, you go to your Forex factory, you go every month, they will always release this news. Okay, just look for the red color ones, you just copy, then you paste, or you can just find the date and you take a look at the timing. You just find it manually lah on your chart. For me, I found it right here. It's 3rd October, pukul 9, 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Okay, but the news release at 8:30 p.m. Yep, 8:30 p.m. 3rd October. You see, the news move half an hour. Okay, dia release pukul 8 Pukul 8 kat sini dia release. Do you notice something or not? Do you notice something or not? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay. If you see what I see, okay, this is 8 o'clock. So before that, before the news came out, we have this. Okay, we have this high. Remember what we learned about liquidity just now? Okay, the banks always move the direction to take all your liquidity before they want to move in the direction that they want. Right? Correct? So, now, this is the last high. Meaning, if the bank goes up, it's already a stop hand. Okay. This is what I mean by when the news is... when you know the news, okay, you pretty much know that these three move up. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. This move up is a fake out. It's always a stop hand. So you know the news is coming out at 8:30, right? So pukul 8 before the news came out, you see the what the bank does. 7 dia dah start dah. Pukul 8 dia dah start. Pukul 9 ni, pukul 8 ke 9 ni, kan news dah keluar kan? The news came out. You see what they are doing, what they did. Okay, they push the price up. Induce buyer, they tell the buyers, hey, come, let's buy the market, let's go buy the market, we're ready to go up. Okay, we're ready to go up. Those who are trading what do you call it, trend line, those who are trading trend line, okay, trade your trend line kan, trade your trend line. Okay, you see this bullish candle, what do? Buy here, right? Okay, buy here guys, you buy here, the market did what? Go down. Why? Then you say Forex is not for you, just because you did not know that the news is actually in fact the news affect the market. This is what we call manipulation. Okay, so they take it to the upside, take your stop losses that you sell here, and then induce buyers, tell people, hey, come on, we're ready to fly up, we're ready to do something like this, come on, let's go. Oh, sorry, we are ready to do something like this, guys. Okay, let's go up, guys. When you see this huge bullish candle, you tell yourself, okay, the next time price return, we are going to buy the market and target the last high, right? No, because you guys have to know that, okay, this is what I always tell myself also before I enter the market. Okay, will there be a news going on? So whenever I see a big movement like this, I'll check the market pukul 7, 8, 9 at 8 to 9. I always check the market. Is there something going on? Okay, is this inducement of buyers, or is it manipulation? So if I see the bank says that, okay, GDP is coming up and the price, the result is not so good for Canada, for example, or maybe it's good for Canada, which will drive US dollar down. Okay, you get what I mean? So from this move up, stop hand. Okay, stop hand, break this structure, break this structure. Okay, break down structure. Okay, break this structure. In the lower time frame, you can see it very clear lah. I'm just showing this out of because I'm very lazy to change the time frame. Can we do it bottom? Oh yes, we can. Okay, cool. So break up, break down. So break up, break down, what do you guys do? Take your Fibonacci, take your Fibs from up to this last down move. Okay, anything above is premium, so we just type here. Okay, premium. Okay, type premium, and then down here you type, I'm so lazy to do this. Okay, premium and discount. Okay, premium and discount. So anything above is premium, bawah ni semua discount. So you sell at premium, you buy at discount. So now the price goes up into your area, confirmed by your news, which is Canada is good news. So one more thing guys, if you see green color means it's good for Canada. So now Canada is good. Okay, Canada is good means Canada is good, USD is going down, USD is going down, Canada good. So we are selling the market. Okay, because last time right, when I first started this, I always do this guys. Mana news tadi tu? Okay ni, okay. So actual greater than forecast. Okay, just copy this, go here, and then you paste it here, just next to your entry, actual greater than forecast. So you just put Canada rate, not Canada rate, Canada currency is good. Okay lah, boleh lah. So whenever Canada currency is good, you are selling it, because now USD against Canada, you're selling USD to buy Canada. So now Canada is up, USD is down. So when the news come out, it's like this, meaning you are selling USD Canada, UCAD. So where do you want to sell? Just draw your supply and demand. Okay, at your premium you have two confluence here, stop hand break market structure. Then you have your price in your premium. Okay, price at your premium means you are good to go. Are you noticing what I'm noticing? Okay, if you're not, then let me show you. They are doing it again guys, they are doing this all over again. Okay, you see what I'm seeing there? Ni buat apa ni guys? Ni benda ni, what is this guys? They take the liquidity, then they go down. So I believe if you zoom this to the lower time frame, you can see that the market is manipulating people to buy. Okay, can we go there? My bad, we can't, unless we can do something like this. Can we do 3rd of October? Yes, okay, cool. There you go. Double top, right guys? Double top means what? Sell. Okay, those people selling here, the market says screw you, I'm taking your stop loss and will go down. So whenever you see double top, stand by to sell above the double top, and make sure that you are in a premium area. So take from here to here, you're in your premium area. Okay, let me just, okay, premium area, you want to get a sniper entry kan? Do you see what I'm saying? This is what I call bahu kiri setup. Okay, so this is your bahu kiri. Bahu kiri is your left shoulder lah guys. Okay, you have your left shoulder, hang on, I need to move the fibs lah. So okay, cool. You have your left shoulder, then you have your kepala, which is your head. Okay, this is your kepala. Kepala. Okay, so kepala did what? Kepala break the market structure kan? Kepala break the market structure, this BMS, remember? Stop hand, kepala break market structure. What do you need next? You need your bahu kanan. So bahu kanan is here. Okay, bahu kanan. There you go. So simple. Just take this zone, just drag it there. You tak dapat sharp entry ke? Nampak? What is that guys? What is that? Bahu kiri kepala, then kepala break market structure. Then the market play around here, then they give you guys, let's buy the market. Then they do a double top to trick the traders to sell now. Then they take your stop losses, then they go down. guys, I don't know what to say. This is happening every single day. Just okay, for those who want to screenshot, I leave it for a while. You can screenshot this. Okay, just pause the video and screenshot. Okay, so this is how you do a bahu kanan, bahu kiri setup. So whenever you see this, you see the head go above the bahu kiri, go down. Okay, take the market down. Break this structure, this lower high. Okay, take this lower high pula low. Take this low lah. Okay, take this low. Then go down. Then you can already place your entry lah. Okay, what I normally do is I put my PO pending order there. Okay, then just like that, guys. Just like that. Simple. So simple. And to make things more interesting, let's just see if this price is in our institution level ke tak. Is it in our level? Can we get it or 50 tak? Can we get it to 50? Can we get it to 50? Yes, we can. Yes, we can, guys. Alright, that's it. So if I want to place the, what do you call it, pending order, I will sell limit at 1.26450. And where does the market touch? Exactly at my order. Coincidence? I don't think so, because this setup, right, is the algorithm. Okay, what you see here is algorithm. The bank always does this all the freaking time. Okay, you can just backtest whatever you want to do. Just backtest every single day. This will happen all the time, and every pair, every single day, every pair. Except for gold. I don't know. Don't trade gold right now. Gold is doing something fishy. So I don't trade gold right now, but I just monitor lah. So this is what I see. So when you have your news and everything under the confluence, okay, in the same direction, you see this setup, right, unfolds in front of you before this happen. Just do this, guys. Take your bahu kiri, stop hand, take your kepala, which is your head. So you have your left shoulder, you have your head. What's next? Your right shoulder, right? So just take your zone to this level. Okay lah, if you don't understand the 50, 80 institution level yet, I just enter anywhere in the zone. Anywhere will do, because eventually the price will go there. Alright, okay, that's it. I think we end the session right here. So next class, next session, probably I would touch on the institution level. You guys let me know, like, you guys want to learn the institution level, or you guys want to learn more about how to trade the news, how to use news, not how to trade the news, how to use news to trade in your direction. Okay, so sorry that today I had to speak, I have to do this in English, because we have some friends which doesn't understand Malay. So I have to be, you know how they say it. Okay lah, I have to talk English lah. So respect everyone. We talk English. I know my Malay friends also can speak English. So let's just use English as our language to discuss. Okay. Okay, that's it. So you can recap this. I will save it in my hard drive if I have space or not. I'm not sure. This is my first time using YouTube Live, by the way. Apparently Instagram is doing something. I don't know what they are doing, because I cannot post any link on my Instagram. It's so frustrating. But what I can do is just to post my YouTube link to my Instagram. So whoever wants to learn anything, just go to my YouTube channel. Okay, you can just go to my YouTube channel, and you can get all the, what do you call it, the link, get all the, what do you call it, the link, get all the, what do you call it, the link. Stop. Okay, so I have all the link for the trading courses at my YouTube channel. Just read in the description, there's a free trading courses. I'll just go there lah. Okay, that's it. We end the session. Again, everything that is great comes from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and everything that is not is from me. Okay, that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.